Welcome to this week's Thai Kitchen, the series from my Thai cookbook. This week I'm going to make a beautiful stir-fry prawns with black beans and flat rice noodles. And the ingredients for that incredible dish are as follows. Prawns, any size that you prefer. Garlic, chili, onions, sugar, spring onions, black beans, mint, chili jam, flat noodles, soya sauce, oyster sauce, and oil, vegetable oil. So, first thing, oil. Garlic, chili, give that a quick stir. Note I only put one chili, I don't want it to be too spicy. Onions, quick stir fry. Sugar, let that caramelize. Chili jam, not too much. Amazing. If you make this early on, when you first get the cookbook, you use this in a lot of dishes, so check it out. That gives a nice little color to the dish. Prawns. Give them a nice little toss. Yum. Look at that. Spring onions. Right, just going to cover that for 2 to 3 minutes. Black beans and some mint, flat noodles, give them a toss, oyster sauce, soya sauce. Now I put sugar in there, so the sugar will off balance the saltiness in the sauces. Let's leave that for a couple of minutes. Right, let's serve these babies up. Rearrange them nicely. And sauce. And fresh mint. Just clean up the messy bits that Mr. Sherlock has made. Like so. There you have it, folks. Simple as that. Prawns. Charlie, you want to go first? Take that one. Josie.
Is it spicy?
Oh. First question. Is it spicy?
It's not. Is it?
Hmm?
Hot.
Hold it.
Hot.
It's not hot, Charlie.
Sweet.
Phew.
Hmm.
Is it hot? Are we supposed to eat this?
You can. Take it off though.
Nice flavor.
You good?
Good.
Hot.
Not too spicy today, huh?
It's not too spicy. Very good.
Josie is the less spice freak in the family. 1, 2, 3, in that order. These recipes come from my Thai cookbook called The Thai Cookbook, Wicked Wild Thailand. They have over 100 recipes, plus 40 to 45 cooking videos to go along with the book. These are recipes that I've learned on the road while I traveled through Thailand on 60, 70 motorbike trips over a 6-year period, meeting some incredible people and learning some fantastic dishes on the way, and I've recreated these into this book and I'm having so much fun doing it. It's great fun to revisit my time in Thailand and to document it in a book form. It's fantastic. There are also some stories of my travels there. When I did my bike trips, I actually wrote a journal, which was, thank goodness for that, because how would I remember all that?
Is it hot?
Not too hot. And also some stories of my life there as a chef, having to deal with disgruntled suppliers and death threats, snakes in the office, bike gangs. It's all there, folks. Crazy life. That's life. When you travel, sometimes you have to deal with these type of things in some of those countries. That's just how it is. On the whole, Thailand was incredible. I had a beautiful time. So if you like the book, click on the chef shop icon at the end of the video. Also, the chef merchandise, the legend himself, Mr. Bukus. Anything else there, it's all there on my chef shop icon. Click there. New videos every week, folk. And don't forget to come back and check us out. Subscribe by clicking over here. Thanks and bon appetit.